Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the world of geotechnical investigation. What a ride it has been, yeah? Let's take a quick look back at what we have covered and peek ahead at what's next. We kicked off by diving into the heart of geotechnical investigations, why they are so crucial in civil engineering. Remember how we talked about choosing the right spot, assessing suitability, and the importance of economic design? Those foundation principles are going to serve you well throughout your careers. We then ventured into subsurface uncertainties and geotechnical risks. Who would have thought that what lies beneath could be so complex? But now you have got the tools to navigate those hidden challenges like pros. Remember our chat about load and resistance factor design? That was a game changer, wasn't it? It's revolutionizing how we approach geotechnical engineering, balancing safety and cost effectiveness in a way that's truly exciting. We walked through the entire subsurface investigation process, from initial planning to design and construction investigations. You learned how to craft robust investigation plans, identify geologic and man-made constraints, and tackle performance issues for various structures. And now, let's not forget our deep dive into data navigation and site reconnaissance. You are now equipped to read and land like a book, from topographic maps to historical aerial photographs. Those site reconnaissance skills, they are going to save you so much time and hassle on future projects. Throughout it all, we have emphasized the practical applications of these concepts. We have looked at real-world case studies, worked through practical exercises, and always kept our focus on how this knowledge applies in the field. Now, I hope you are all feeling more confident about tackling geotechnical challenges. But let me tell you, this is just the beginning. There is so much more to explore in the fascinating world of geotechnical engineering. That's why I'm thrilled to invite you to join our next course, where we will be delving even deeper into advanced geotechnical investigation. We'll be looking at cutting-edge techniques, exploring complex case studies, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in our field. In our next course, we'll cover topics like advanced in-situ testing methods, sophisticated laboratory testing techniques, geophysical methods for subsurface characterization, risk assessment and management in complex geotechnical projects, and much more. This next course will build on everything you have learned so far, taking your skills to the next level. Whether you are aiming to become a specialist geotechnical engineer or you want to enhance your civil engineering expertise, this course will give you the knowledge and skills to tackle even the most challenging projects. So, what do you say? Ready to dig even deeper? Join us for our next geotechnical investigation course, and let's continue this exciting journey together. Remember, in geotechnical engineering, the more we learn, the more we realize there is to discover. It's a field that's constantly evolving, and staying at the forefront of these developments is crucial for success. Thanks again for being part of this course. Your enthusiasm and engagement have made it a joy to teach. I can't wait to see many of you in our advanced course, where we will push the boundaries of what's possible in geotechnical engineering. Until then, Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop learning. See you in the next course.